Welcome back to Mike's Garage and Locost builds. For today I'm planning to get a little bit more progress on the rear axle, which is here. So let's turn this around. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm planning to get the rear axle ready and kind of tack the brackets on. Also, I need to make some space here for the chassis. On the chassis, I have to move probably already one post. One bar has to be moved over 1/2 inch. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Tomorrow, if everything goes up to plan, tomorrow I'm planning to see a friend of mine who is then TIG welding the rest of the rear axle to secure the brackets. What I've been told, less heat is going through, which is better, makes the process better. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. So I cleaned up the rear axle and finished off the brackets for the rear axle as well. Now position the rear axle where I wanted to have it. I believe that's the right angle. And then the next step will be, there you can see as well how nice it fits now compared to before. Next step will be then to provisionally tack weld the brackets on and give it in tomorrow to my friend to finish off the welding. So a little progress here. The brackets are welded now onto the rear axle. We've also filled up the holes, or mainly the holes, from removing the anti-roll bar brackets. Fortunately I had a little bit of an accident. I needed to rest for the rest of the weekend. I will keep you posted next week. I'm going ahead then with the upper brackets, get the rear axle in. So everyone have a good week and see you next weekend. Ciao ciao.